5:15 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Florida or near Warwick and moving east at 20 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will be near Florida around 4:30 p.m., Goshen around 4:35 p.m., Chester and Greenwood Lake around 4:40 p.m., Monroe around 4:55 p.m., Harriman around 5 p.m., West Point around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Washingtonville, Central Valley, Tuxedo Park, Cornwall-on-Hudson, Highland Mills, Firthcliffe, Highland Falls, Curious Hill, and Fort Montgomery. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Orange, New York,